The Blizzard has arrived. Do you see that? Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so glad I have my Subaru from Colorado to get me through this. I'm sorry, old guy. This is the job for Subaru. I'll have to leave you in the frozen tundra. That frozen snow, dusted grass. Who knew that I needed to scrape my car of all this madness? You see that accumulation? It's almost like it's cold out. Oh my gosh, why doesn't this go up to 11? Some people call me crazy for leaving the house in this weather, in this extreme weather. Somehow, my Subaru is doing okay on these treacherous roads so far. Oh my gosh, I've almost made it. The 1 minute drive to the promised land. Oh my gosh. The parking lot is packed. It's like 40 degrees. I wore closed-toed shoes today. Oh my gosh, almost all out of milk. Oh no. No kombucha. Oh my gosh, they're almost out of natural wheat bread. Stop it. The whole purpose. I had to wait in line. This line is intense. It's absolutely crazy over here. Thanks, Kroger Salt Guy, for salting our floors in these nasty conditions. Everyone's out today. No one can drive in this. No one. There's actual moisture on the streets. It's terrifying to all of us. Nobody can drive. Mission accomplished. It's so brutal out there. Don't go out unless you need to, unless you desperately need to.